Hello everyone, welcome to the course Mastering PHP from Invent High Technologies. In this course, we are going to learn PHP from scratch and then master it. So both beginners and experienced programmers can follow the course and find the course useful. So every year in the technology world, there are new languages popping up. So this question, should we learn PHP in this current year, has been asked for past many years and also will be asked for many years to come. So in this first video of this course, we are going to answer this question in a detailed manner. We do this so that you are not discouraged or misguided by the many similar questions asked about PHP in social medias. First, if you want to develop dynamic websites, then you should learn PHP. And if you ask what is a dynamic website, we are going to explain it with in-depth detail in our next video. So let's continue for now. Second, have you seen a mechanic or a plumber working with only one hammer or a spanner? No. They always bring a toolbox which has various tools. So we need to use right tools for the right job. PHP is one of the very best tools if you want to do website development. Finally, if you are ready to dedicate few hours per week to learn programming, then you should learn PHP, as PHP is one of the most easiest and productive languages to learn. This course will be focused on PHP as a language and how we can efficiently develop websites with it. A lot of other PHP books and courses start with PHP, but later they focus more on HTML, CSS, JavaScript, SQL in more detail that they finally complete without focusing on PHP. But we are going to have our full focus on PHP and learn it from basic to mastering it. However, we will also have few videos explaining HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and SQL to help you and guide you with essential bits of information. All the remaining time, we will be covering PHP. Yeah, we can see many harsh questions asked about PHP in many forums. We can also see PHP and PHP developers are made fun of in social medias. This video is to make you aware that there is nothing to worry about PHP and everything is fine with PHP. PHP is not slow. If we look carefully, this criticism is there for all interpreted languages. Other than that, even Java was criticized for being slow when it initially came out. But Java 5 was a game changer for Java and it became widely adopted. Similarly, PHP 7 is faster than ever and it is twice as fast as its previous version. However, if speed is the only concern, then everyone should use C programming for website development like in the 90s. So this criticism is not true. PHP is more than sufficiently fast for our websites. PHP code is not ugly. Some people criticize PHP for using $sign before variables, but it is not such a terrible thing. And once we start working with PHP, we will not even notice it. Other than that, writing ugly code is programmers' talent, and they can do that in any language. PHP is not only for web. PHP can be used outside of web programming too. But web is a problem that it solves best. So what is wrong in that? Remember, right tools for the right job? PHP code is maintainable, and anyone can write maintainable code in PHP. Writing maintainable code is more of a personal choice or skill rather than language. So we can no longer blame PHP for our code clarity. Yeah, PHP is old. PHP came out few decades ago. But now PHP has every advanced feature you can expect from many modern programming languages. A huge open source developer community is always working on to make PHP more modern. But to support modern features, we cannot simply remove backward compatibility. Almost every old languages like C, C++, Java has this problem. But over the years, as a language, they incorporate modern programming features, and it is up to us to use those features. Yes, PHP has many frameworks. Frameworks are developed to make hard things easier. Especially for PHP, the frameworks make the entire web development easier as it has many moving parts. This also will be covered in much detail in our next video. Having many frameworks is not a bad thing. The bad thing is to start learning and working on the frameworks without first learning and understanding the basics of the language in detail. So by learning PHP in depth, we are on the right track. So if anyone says that, then you can ask what according to them is a perfect programming language. Then you can ask them to develop a website with that language. Don't worry, they will start learning PHP soon. Okay, so what can we summarize about PHP? PHP is easy to learn. PHP is free, so that is free lunch indeed. PHP is open source and it has very active development going on. PHP has huge community support, so it means getting help is going to be very easy. More than 70% of all current websites in the world are served by PHP. Just think about it. 70%, it's a huge number. So PHP is going to rule web programming for many years to come. Thank you for watching this video and we hope you will be excited to start your PHP journey with us. You are welcome. Please click on the subscribe button below and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you and bye till our next video.